right, hey, it's Dan Gregory with the Roofing Guys, and we're starting a series of videos we're going to call Ride Along with Dan. And Ride Along with, to me, it means raw. I mean, this is just raw footage, and we're not in the studio doing anything. We want to educate people about the roofing industry, construction, things like that. This first video is going to be what I call you can hire a shingler or a roofer. Okay, now this is my distinction. I've had this conversation with homeowners many times, and they'll ask me, at some point they'll ask me, well, how do I know if someone's a shingler or a roofer? And then I realized I had to explain, this was my distinction. Okay, you can hire any company, a lot of companies out there that'll shingle your roof. They'll tear off the old shingles, they'll put on new shingles, and they'll do a fine job of that. But the distinction in my mind is a shingler can do that. To me, a roofer is a professional. We don't just look at replacing the shingles, we look at your entire roof assembly. Maybe about a year ago, there was a storm and I got a call from a homeowner, just wanted an inspection just to see if there's any problems. And his roof had only been installed maybe 3 or 4 years ago. One of the most highest quality asphalt shingle roofs you can get in America. I may be wrong, but off the top of my head, I think it was a Certainty Grand Manor, a very expensive roof, a very nice roof. And I'll try and find the picture and throw it up so that you guys can see that on here. But I inspected the roof, nothing really wrong with the roof. There was a few nails that needed to be sealed. But on the back side of his roof, he had 4 or 5 large skylights. And the company that had replaced his roof did not replace the flashings around the skylights. So every one of the skylights had rusted flashings around it, and rust is a cancer to metal. With time, that's going to rust through and it's going to leak. So you got a brand new roof, 3 or 4 years old, a very expensive, high quality roof, and that was a shingler. To me, that was a company that came in, they tore off the shingles, put new shingles back on, and the homeowner doesn't know the difference. So when that leaks, that whole area is going to have to be torn off. Those shingles are going to have to be torn off, and it's going to be a very expensive repair for the homeowner because he hired a shingler and not a professional roofer. Anyway, hope that helps.